In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your Docusign account. Whether you're looking to access more features or need a plan that better suits your needs, upgrading your account is a simple process. Let's dive right into it, and I'll guide you through each step carefully. First, open your favorite web browser and go to the Docusign website. Once you're there, make sure you log into your account. It's crucial that you're signed in because you can only manage your account settings when you're logged into the system. After logging in, look at the top of your screen for the menu option labeled Admin. This is the section where you can manage various administrative settings for your account. Click on Admin, and it will take you to the dashboard, which gives you access to all your account configurations. Once you're on the Admin dashboard, find and click on Plan and Billing. This menu option is where you can view details about your current plan and also manage your billing information. It might take a moment to load, so be patient. It's also a good idea to ensure your internet connection is stable, as any interruptions can affect your progress. After accessing Plan and Billing, you will see an option labeled View Plans. Clicking on this will display all the available plans that Docusign offers. Here, you'll have the ability to compare different plans, their pricing, and features that each one includes. Take your time to consider which plan best fits your requirements, whether it's for additional user support, increased document sending capacity, or more advanced functionality. Once you've decided on the plan that suits your needs, click on it and then select Next. The transition to the next page is where you will confirm your choice. Be sure to review all the details, such as the plan features and costs. Double-check everything to make sure there are no surprises later down the line. If everything looks perfect to you, complete the on-screen prompts to finalize your upgrade. Usually this involves agreeing to the terms and conditions and confirming your billing details. And that's it. Your Docusign account will now be upgraded. Alternatively, if you encountered issues or have questions about the specific features of a plan, Docusign's customer support is always a helpful resource. Remember, upgrading your Docusign account allows you to unlock a broader range of tools and capabilities, streamlining your document signing and management process. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Have an excellent day and happy signing.